Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cat with a thought bubble over its head, or a speaking bubble. I don't know why. Cats I still feel are, kind of dark and mysterious, even though they're kind of goofy, the ones I draw here, but that's what we're going to do. It's going to be simple, completely for beginners, by the way, so if you're brand new at drawing, you will be able to draw this. And that's it. Let's jump in. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw like the top of the head. Out over here for one ear. Go over here, slowly curve it and pull it back in. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna draw the other ear. And I'm gonna slowly pull it back in. Out, out. Zigzag over here. Zigzag over here. Curve underneath. Attach it to this other end. All right. Line, kind of a circle there for one eye. Circle for the other eye. It's gonna have these kind of coin-looking eyes. Line across. Down and upside down triangle. Curve underneath here for a smile. And that's all you really need, honestly. I'm gonna go over here, the inner ear, line, curve. Over here on this inner ear, line, curve. Okay. Gonna go back here, curve right there for the body. Line over here for the cat's tail. And I'm gonna curve it around that corner. And I'm gonna pull it back in the same way it came. Line down. Line over here for the front paw. Curve in, up. Over here on this side, curve up for the stomach area. Down over here, underneath, up for the paw. Just kind of keep that flowing. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. When you do that, it basically lets you know when what I post, because you're going to see the thumbnail as you scroll your feed. And then you're going to be like, oh, okay, I want to draw that day. Or you're going to be like, nah, I don't need to draw that. So it's up to you. Let's draw line, line, line for this whiskers. Line, line, line. Whiskers over here. Draw the foot over here, sticking out the bottom. 1, 2 to make the paw there. 1, 2. Over here, the paw on this side. 1, 2. And now we're gonna go over here and draw that thought bubble, or it doesn't have to be a thought bubble. It can be like a, yeah, let's do a thought bubble, okay? Do one, looks like a cloud. Like there. Over here, same thing, but smaller. Almost like a popcorn ball. And then one more as it's coming down. Another popcorn ball. If you want, you can also trade these for just straight up circles. I've seen people do that. Instead of the popcorn ball, you can do just a straight up circle. That's fine. I'm gonna go over here and just draw a symbol. I'm gonna draw an exclamation point just to have something in there. But in that part, you can draw anything you want, like anything. And let me fill that in. Over here, fill this in. All right, then you draw a line over here for the eyebrows, curved line over here for the eyebrow. And I guess right here I'm gonna draw a line in the middle, and I'm gonna draw a curve line up for the tongue. So that's really gonna do stuff. Line up, down here, up. 3 dots on one, 3 dots on the other. Line over here for the eye. Line over here for the eye. And that's it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you see other videos, hit the likes on those, because what that does is it keeps the channel afloat. It keeps it alive. So that's going to be really, really good, because on the off season, I'm still making videos. I'm still teaching. It's just it's not getting as much attention because it's not Halloween. But I still want to keep it as a spooky channel and a spooky themed channel. So like I said, absolutely hit me up with questions. And I want your general drawing to get good through this, okay? I want your general drawing to go up significantly. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. And comment and say hi to me, okay? I'll reply to every single one later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.